the move of putting itong si Galinato sa starting lineup, Sedel.
Yeah, we've been waiting for him really to... And I think he earned this.
Oo. And not just doble kayod. You know, yung makikita mo yung mga big men itong San Juan Knights, they're not just big, they're fast.
Oo, they're inyahan.
And with Valenzuela, they need to take advantage of this because later on, pag nag-adjust na in terms of personnel, itong San Juan, nailagay na yung kanilang mga magagaling na shooters, sila Aniban.
Yeah.
Baka maging mahirapan na sila with this defense.
And Calisaan, same spot, same result.
You still play at the highest level kasi yung conditioning ang importante sa Del pag ganyang malalim yung lineup ng team nyo.
J.R. Kenyahan pulls the trigger, gets the shooter's bounce.
Yeah, that's too close.
Kenyahan already with 4 points sa kanya lahat ng galing ng baskets ng Valenzuela. Here's Galinato. Zach Wong, binigay kay Calisaan. And Mike Calisaan, 8 gives it up to Wong. Wamar at the controls. Wamar lumapit. Calisaan stays perfect.
And you know, if you push San Juan,
just when you needed to have everyone in uniform, doon pa nawala ang iba nilang players dito. But J.R. Kenyahan,
opportunity. Kasi hindi mo sila may mga ganyan sitwasyon kasi meron kang mga players na minsan na may miss out because nandyan yung mga superstars mo.
Naman si Zach Wong inside De La Cruz, the kick out. Martin, 3 is good.
Like that guy. Yeah, Zach Wong, both player plays with a lot of effort.
Nanadis Tepalam puts it in for 2. Wamar uses the pick from Gamboa. Nabasa ni Arminion. Payawal comes away with the loose ball. Martin gets it back to Payawal for 2.
Sa the Davao Occidental Tigers.
Galinato, Gamboa, jumper is good. Keep Mike Malonzo set to enter the game. Wamar misses the 3. Offensive rebound. Soberano, nothing but net.
Especially off the bench, recognizing na yung kalaban nakasona si Del.
And bilis na sagot.
Buong-buo ang loob niyan.
Ni Arminion. Wamar, gets it to Malonzo, corner. Maikes, nice fake, and he gets the 2 points.
Again, off. Hindi na bagay yung dalawa yan sa isa't isa.
Steal by Malonzo. Malonzo fires a 3. Yes, sir! J.R. Kenyahan with the jumper. Yes! Automatic. Wamar on the drive, the extra pass. Malonzo inside, layup is good.
Yeah, beautiful basketball there by the San Juan Knights.
They'll use up the time here. Maikes against Cristi Chavez. Maikes.
Too easy.
Time for the first quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta. Kaya nga dami mong liga nakikita, may mga 50 up, 40 up. As Cristi Chavez knocks down the 3. Wins the rebounding battle there, but he gets caught in a double team, and Malonzo will finish. Kaya nga It's never too late, coach.
Never too late.
Gutladera. Yes. Also Gutladera.
Iba nakukuha
Hugnatan trying to seal Payawal, and Reynel Hugnatan. The timing of that seal really, yun ang susi dun may
continuation.
May sequel. Malonzo to Taiwan. Soberano is free. Yes!
Yeah, just
Soberano, catch and shoot! AC Soberano!
then that's what we're saying.
Arminion will drive and lay it in. AJ Miranda drives and gets the basket to count. Individually, pag-construct talaga ng lineup eh. Here's De Los Santos. Nem de la Cruz, layup is good.
Effective eh.
Lead is down to 12. Panganiban on the drive, finishing. 45 to 31. AJ Miranda. Hugnatan for three. Yes!
Yeah. 6 points off the bench.
Kinyahan. Good challenge by Hugnatan, but Kinyahan scores once again. Sinet up na ni Mika kanina yan eh. Hernandez misses. Panganiban, the extra pass to Manong Reynel Hugnatan. Meron ng 8 puntos. Arminion to De La Cruz. 2 players challenging him. Hugnatan quickly to Hernandez. Hernandez misses. And AJ Miranda with a putback. 9 minutes of action, almost 10 minutes of action. Hugnatan, na no-look pass.
Dagdagan
To
pa.
Kalisaan.
Clinic ba, clinic?
Oh, he's doing everything. Kinyahan. Jumper is good. No good on that one. Miranda to Panganiban. Panganiban. 57 to 35 lead at the end of the first half. This halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sport. And J.R. Kinyahan, who is into double figures already. Kinyahan. Automatic at that spot. Ito si...
Kasi once na mag-ikot na sa bench, hindi nagbabago yung lakas nila.
Oo.
Points pa itong San Juan, di ba? Yung point blank layup ni Nico Panganiban, then yung two miss free throws ni Edgy Boy Mojica.
Manliguez slips.
Good God.
Darrell puts it in. +1.
Kailangan sila makastart ng medyo mas mahabang run.
And hindi pwedeng magkamali against the San Juan Knights. CJ Payawal.
17 points still. Ayan, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Oh, he misses the layup.
Hindi pa pala.
Trazona banks it in for 2. Kalisaan. Wamar. Jumper from Orlan. Yes.
And we spoke about that. We talked about it during the... Ang sakit eh.
Oo. It's not just the points, it's the timing of the
timing,
points.
oo.
At CJ Payawal. Lead is down to 14. Zona.
Ayan, ito na yung mga scrappy players ng Valenzuela eh.
Manliguez to Hero. Naiwan si Kalisan for the 2 points. No safety for Valenzuela. Manliguez. Wala. Lepalam puts it in. Big rebound. Malonzo to inbound. Wamar is open. Yes.
One dribble pa, no?
Yeah, 1.2 seconds remaining.
Oo.
The end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Could not finish the layup. 75 to 60. De La Cruz gets the basket and one.
Again, not...
Goes to Hugnatan. Libre
Good
sa
pass.
ilalim. Kalisan!
Yeah, that's Tignan ko yung assist ni Rain in this. Sino sila pupunta?
Wamar will pull up. Yes! And Orlan Wamar has the knack of knowing when to take over.
Just when you thought that you're doing the right thing already, then suddenly, itong si Orlan Wamar will just gonna break your heart.
Mem de la Cruz
He's gonna challenge that.
will attack. Gives it up to Chavez for 3. Valenzuela only down by 10.
6.
Wamar, no, binigay kay Dexter Marquez. Yes!
That's a big three-pointer. Again, it's the composure.
Oreta and of course, Boss Dennis Abella in attendance. Dito sa MPBL Tuesday. What a spin move. Daryl Manliguez. Quick response. CJ Payawal drives, gets the basket. Of the, when he tries to force things. And good things happen there for him. Zach Wong, yes.
That's big time basket.
Here's Wong. Dire-diretso sa atin ang CJ Payawal.
Talagang ayun yung bumuhay sa Valenzuela.
And Orlan Wamar knocks down the 3. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports.
That was thrown to them. Itong Valenzuela started with the zone defense, then they become aggressive in the second half. But then again, it's yung composure and pagiging steady ni Orlan Wamar prove na talagang ayun yung kailangan nila for them para ma-preserve pa rin yung kanilang yung streak nila.
The perfect record nila. Best player of the game is brought to you by Buenas. Final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL Basta